Right, in my next observational drawing exercise, I'm going to just sharpen pencil. And this is what I'm interested in really. I obviously want a sharp pencil for drawing. I just want a couple of pencil sharpenings. I'm just going to leave them on the table and I'm going to start drawing from them. Now I'm drawing in plan view, so I'm having to look through the screen as I'm working. I'll zoom in a little bit. And what I'm looking for is looking for the shapes that I can see in front of me in the drawing. I'm going to draw roughly to scale. So I'm looking at that angle there. Rough structure is coming down here. This angle is knocking back over there. This is coming around here. Dips in a little bit. Comes around. And now notice again at the very rough drawing I'm doing. The second pencil sharpening comes up here. Across the top. And then I need to start working into it, so I need to do a little bit more of observation work into it. Now I'm looking through the phone screen because I'm working in plan view, so I can't see it particularly clearly. I'm working on the line. Line comes down there. Now that distance from there to there, from here to here, is fairly similar. This pencil sharpening, if you look at it from an elevation view from here, it's flat on the table there. But at this point, it's almost a centimetre off the table. It's elevated and moving up towards us. So there is a little bit of a change in scale. Now when you sharpen the pencil, because of the shape of it and the facets on the surface, you generate these undulations. I'm looking at roughly at that angle it's coming down there. I could start drawing in some of these lines. But remember, I'm interested in the structure. I quite like... See that mark there, we can see the wood on the pencil. That comes up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that comes like quite shallow there. Quite across there. And it looks distorted and narrow as it's coming up towards us. So you can see how I'm constructing based on what I can see in front of me. Now, there are various points where the lead is sticking off the end here. This will make it a little bit more convincing. Not necessarily an easy thing to draw, but that's not what we want, an easy thing to draw. We want to find something that's quite challenging and interesting to draw. But you can see the principle of how I'm constructing the drawing. And as it undulates and moves around, it's quite tricky to convey the space. I want this piece here to look like it's higher and further forward. So I'm going to pick out the edge as it moves around into there. So that should look like it's a little bit further forward and it's coming around and going down.